templates. It's all in one. So that's an example. Another example is the Squarespace. Squarespace, and this is another hosted websites, and they have very nice templates. So what's good about hosted websites, you don't have to worry much. You just get an account, and then they give you templates. You don't have to worry about the web hosting. So many issues are taken care of for you in the back end of the server. You don't have to worry about, but you don't have a lot of freedom. Basically, you can't do anything you want, like get your own templates, except in some cases where you need some kind of customization, and you have to know how to customize certain templates if you want to change them. And this is the case with Squarespace and Weebly and Wix. So this is the hosted website, but it's easier if you are new to web hosting and making websites. But you don't have. It's kind of expensive. I find it more expensive than self-hosting your own website. So this is the hosted sites. It means it's easier for you, even if you are a beginner. You can make a website. Just an example is Squarespace, but it's kind of pricey because they take care of lot of technical um issues and the background and the server. It's kind of expensive, little bit expensive. So if you look at Squarespace, but they have very nice templates, and they have a lot of options, whatever you want to do. I mean, unless you want to fully customize it and you are a web developer, you may not find everything you need. But it's very good option. So if you look at the prices all the way down here, um, the prices. Okay, so this is the prices here. That's the case in Squarespace, which is very reputable website builder. So you have to pay monthly, and this is annual. If you pay monthly, you're gonna end up paying $25 for the the personal package, which doesn't have a lot, So like the e-commerce, if you wanna sell and you want to use the e-commerce options, then you're going to be going to the business and commerce, and you end up paying every month about 36 or 40 bucks or 72. And if you go to the annual, it's cheaper, but you have to pay 12 month, at one time. So this is Squarespace. Same thing with Weebly too. So it's I mean Wix also it's a great platform. I never tried it, but I hear a lot of good thing about it. But it's not cheap, and if you look at the pricing here, it's the least package, the least expensive package is 17 per month. Then you go up to 29, 36, 159 each. Every month you're paying this much, but they give you a lot of options here. Again, they take care of the back end and the security, but you pay for it. So this is the case of hosted websites. Now we're gonna talk about the self-hosted, and that's the one I like because it doesn't cost a lot of money, and but you have to know more than when you're using those services, the hosted ones. So I can give you an example. So if you go to just type web hosting companies. So these are the services like Bluehost here. You got Hostinger. That's the one I use. If you go to Bluehost again, WP Beginner. So those are independent web hosting companies where you have more freedom to upload your own uh, templates, and you're not limited basically like the other ones. So I can show you, and they're cheaper. So if you look at Bluehost, Bluehost, they have WordPress hosting plans. They have the shared. This is the shared hosting is the least expensive. So if you click on shared hosting plan in for Bluehost, so look how much difference it makes if you're for 12 month. So the basic one, 199 per month, is very cheap, 349. WooCommerce 699, but WooCommerce you have to be more advanced, and but also they limit the number of websites. But if you pay like let's say 899 per month, and you get those options here, 5 website and more. But you have to look into the details. The one I use is Hostinger, Hostinger, which is this one. This is where I host my website, and it's a great platform. It's very reputable, and if you look at their hosting plans, this is the self-hosted plan. They're much cheaper, but you have to do more to make your own website. But you have more freedom. So if you go to web hosting, and look how cheap it is. So if you go down here, like the premium is 299 per month if you pay for 12 months, I think, and the business one is 399 per month, and they give you a lot of options here, and they have WordPress too if you want to use WordPress, and they have the website builder. It says no code website builder. So basically even the self-hosted websites, uh, they're introducing a lot of options. uh, Before they didn't have website builders and they didn't have themes. Now they give you free themes. You may not have a lot of options in the themes, and they give you uh, website builder where you can build a website using a drag drop. That's what it says here, drag and drop website builder. That's what I used, and they have the AI website creation. The AI will create a website for you, but I tried it. I didn't like it, honestly, So I like to put together my own website, but it was easy with the website builder. You just drag and drop the elements on your web page. So this is the difference between self-hosted and hosted websites. So each one has advantages and disadvantages. It depends on your budget, how much you wanna pay, how much you can afford, and what you need it for, and if you want like full customization or a limited customization, it depends. So but you have to look into each one and the details. So this is the difference between hosted and self-hosted websites. Now I'm gonna talk about the templates. So the website templates in both cases, both both services, the self-hosted and the hosted, they give you templates, but they don't give you like the hosted ones. This is the advantage. If you have a hosted uh, website, you have more options, and that when it comes to templates, like Hostinger, now they don't give me a lot of templates. I'm not sure if they give you 20 you can choose from, but Squarespace, they have over 70 templates, and they have Wix also, they have a lot of templates. This is the advantage, and they have good design. They have nice design, and in the case of self-hosted like mine, you can get, if you want, you have choices too. You can use the website builder that I used, and you can have you can use the templates in your account. They're not too many, and you can also buy your own templates and upload it to your web hosting, and you can you can edit it. So I can give you an example. So if you go to let's say Envato Marketing, Envato Marketing. So this is Envato web templates. So if this is one of the resources that they have, website templates. So if you go here, so these are templates. It says website templates, where you can buy one of those HTML templates, and they have other type too, and you can upload it to your website. And this is what I'm thinking at one point. If I want to change my website templates, you can come here and buy a template and upload it to your website. But this will need some knowledge and some technical knowledge, and that, I know how to do it because I tried it so many times and I learned how. But if you're starting new, you might struggle because you want to know how to download. I mean, downloading the template is easy. You get a zip file, it's got so many files in it, but you have to know how to edit it, and what files you upload to your web hosting. Even though it's got some documentation, you can read the documentation, but still it's challenging. I did it a few times, but it was not easy for me. But now I nail the basics, because some of them are complicated. But you want to try to find a web template which is not very complicated. And the way you do it, once you download it to your computer, then you can upload it to the self-hosted account. There's some software you have to use. So basically you have to use, it's free software, the code editor. And the one I use is, a lot of people use this, the Visual Studio Code, which is here, and this is free. So let me access it. So this is the Visual Studio Code, and once you download the templates, you can use this software, which is a code editor, to change the text or codes or pictures. So basically, if you want to edit the templates and make changes to it, you need a code editor. And Visual Studio Code is very famous, and I like it, and I use it. So once you download it, you can make changes, and you can find out how it looks like before you upload it to your website, to your web hosting, because you can use the live server option in Visual Studio Code, and the live server will show you as you edit. It shows you the changes on your computer before you upload it to your website. And another software you'll need is the FTP. The FTP, this is the case where you're uploading HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript templates. You have to upload the files, and then you have to use a software called FTP. FTP file transfer protocol. It's a client server software where your web hosting have to have it set up for you, and you download the client software to your computer, and then you can upload the software that you edited on your computer using the FTP client server, and then you upload it to your website. And once you upload it to your website, it's gonna go live, but you have to make sure you have it on the right folder of your website in the public root directory, and you want to make sure you have the right files that you uploaded. So and those are free too. The FTP is free. I think I don't know if I have it here, but if you go to FTP, usually FileZilla, I use FileZilla FTP client. So this is FileZilla. It's very famous. It's for free. You download it, and it can work on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you can download it, and once you download it, uh, you're able to upload and download files from your computer to your website, and you'll need that if you're doing your own editing and the changes to your and these are some, I mean, most of them are free. That's an example here. The it says 5 FTP client file transfer protocol, and you want to make sure you use the secure one where it says, because there's FTP and there's a protocol, it's right here, SFTP. You want to use the SFTP, and it has to be set up in your web hosting. This way you can transfer files back and forth between your computer and the web hosting in a secure manner, because if you use FTP, your files and data are not encrypted, and they can be intercepted. So if you use SFTP, which is the Secure File Transfer Protocol client and server architecture, then your data is encrypted and you're not gonna have any problems. And these are other ones here, and most of them work on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Not actually, not all of them. This one is Windows and Mac only. But I think the FTP FileZilla works on Linux too. So so that's what it is. If you have any questions, submit them in a comment and let me know if you need any if you have any ideas about more videos. Let me just see if there's anything I want to cover too. Um, okay, so at last I want to show you my choice, what I use for my website, and it's this one here, GeorgeKC webservices.com. This is my website here. It's still being developed. I still have to add some information to the to some of the pages, to the work with me and the contact and about me. I didn't make it long time ago, but I'm still working on it. But it's not the final. I may at one point in the future I might make any some changes to the design. But as of now, it's only I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I like its design. I like the simple design, but I still have to add a video here. But anyway, so I'm using Hostinger web hosting, which is this one, the one I just showed you now, this one here, and I'm using the I made those web pages. I built them, even though they're simple. I tried the website builder, and it's very easy to use, you know. So I can show you the okay. So I can log in to show you what I used the web. So this one here. Okay, so yeah, I have to log in. Okay, so it's a two-factor authentication. I have to enter the code that I get to my email. Okay, so this is my verification code. Should go. It's taking some time because I have many windows open. So alright, so this is the code, because I have two-factor authentication. So I have to enter it here to log in. Oh, it didn't take it. 718288. Seven one eight two eight eight. Okay, so I logged in my back end. That's my web hosting account with Hostinger. So this is how I manage my email, my domain, my hosting. So if I go to websites here, it's very easy. Anybody can learn it. You don't have to be technical. And then it says manage website. This is my website. I have the premium web hosting. Manage it. And then I access the back end of my website, which is this one here. So edit website. Okay, so this is my website. I can edit it now. I can make changes to it. And I am in a website builder. It says website builder here. And it's so easy. You just click on those elements. It says like add element. If you want to add an element, you click on this one. So, and it's so easy. You just drag and drop. Let's say you want to add a text. You'll move this. You click on this and you drag it to the here to the web page, and you add text. Same thing with the buttons. Add to bag. I don't know what it is. I never used that. Image, gallery, video. If you want to add a video, and once you drag and drop the element to your website to the web page, then it will give you options and more information about it. It's self-explanatory. It's very easy. It's not that difficult. You know, it took me less than a week to learn it. And social icon, etc. You go down here, and this is my navigation. The home, courses, contact page. You know, I can create more pages here and more navigation and change the name of the navigation. And then you go down here. This is the website styles. If you want to change color, letters, you know. So and then you have the AI image generator, AI logo maker, AI writer, AI blogger, AI heat map, AI page generator. So this is very advanced, you know. And but those have limited credit. I use some of them. So you have to pay extra for them. You know, they're not free, unlimited free. They give you some free credits, but not everything is free. And going down here, that's a blog. I didn't add a blog gig. I only have web pages, but you can add a blog if you want. And then the three dots here, that will give you more information about the integration in general and the online store. I did not use all of them, the media, etc., multi-language, you know. So you explore those, and they have a lot of options too. But I've been using the analytics. I just click on the analytics to see visitors. So I click on it, and then it will give you visitors here and how many visitors. So you can tell this website is new, so it doesn't have a lot of visitors. So again, you just if you want to see the mobile version, you click on a mobile here. It will show you how it's gonna look on a mobile version, the website. And you go back here. That's the desktop version. So you can edit it. Sometimes you can edit. You have to edit it in a desktop view and in the mobile view, because it might look different on a mobile from the desktop. So you have to edit it in both cases, but it's easy. You just again drag and drop and move stuff around. It's not that difficult. And then you can do a preview. After you make a change, you do a preview, and to make sure you made the change that you want. And then once you're done, you can click on update website. You can update the website to make sure the changes go live on the internet. So because if you make a change and you don't update the website, it's not gonna go live on the internet, and if you change it, it will go live. So so that's it for the website builder. It's, you can tell it's self-explanatory. It's very easy. So I'm gonna get out of it. So alright. Okay, going back to my websites. This will take you out of the screen. Going back to the web hosting account, and if you need any I have my I joined the affiliate program, and I have the referral link here. So check progress. This is my affiliate link. If you use it, it's on a website and a resources page too. If you use this link, this is my affiliate link. I make some commission, but it doesn't raise your price. It's the same. But in return, if you go through my link, I will help you. Like if you need any, you have any question about the website builder, or setting up your account like I did, I can help you too. And the way you log in is from here. You log in from here. Again, you go to my website here, georgekcwebservers.com, and if you go to the resource I use, these are affiliate links. So what I did, I joined the affiliate link. This way, if somebody wanna use the service I'm using and they go through my affiliate link, I make some commission, but it doesn't change the price. You still pay the same price, but in return I will help you set up whatever, you know. If you have any questions, obviously it's going to be limited support, but if you need more, we can talk about it. And this is what I use for web hosting. The Hostinger, that's the link. That's my link. If you go through it, it's an affiliate link. And this is the legal document I use. I use the service, Termageddon, and also I am an affiliate. I have my affiliate link. If you go through it also, I make some commission, but it doesn't raise your price, but I can help you how to set it up. And this is coming soon. There's more coming soon. Also, if you have any questions, please submit them in a comment. I have contact forms on each page. Just submit them and ask me questions about making websites. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for attending, whether you're on this live stream now or in the future, you can see it. Thanks for your time, and submit your question. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and provide some ideas about future videos, so this way I'll have more ideas about making videos, because